Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a well-equipped 2013 Ford F-150 FX4 Super Crew 4-wheel drive, stock number Z7436A. 88,000 miles and there's one owner. Local trade, clean auto check history report, Oxford white in color. The F-150 is a very safe vehicle. It's an Insurance Institute of Highway Safety's top safety pick. Seats 5, leather interior. Lots of legroom for the rear passengers. Rear defrost for excellent visibility, and power sliding windows for extra ventilation. Soft tonneau cover on the 5.5-foot box. Locking tailgate, backup camera, along with the rear parking sensors for additional safety. Hitch and wiring. Drop-in bed liner for protection as well as easy cleaning. Speaking of clean, no dents or dings in the body. Step bars make it easy to get in and out, especially for kids or shorter passengers. This FX4 has keyless entry along with touchpad entry, remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power seats, along with memory settings for 2 drivers. Power adjustable pedals put you in that perfect driving position. Moonroof. Large. With driver information system. Operated by buttons on the steering wheel. Cruise control. Steering wheel mounted audio controls. Shift on the fly 4-wheel drive. Integrated trailer brake control. Large touchscreen infotainment system for navigation. Dual zone automatic climate control, heated seats, as well as cooled front seats. Keep you comfortable no matter what time of year. Radio, it's also satellite radio capable. And Bluetooth connectivity. For hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Backup camera display. Hard keys below for radio as well as climate. Automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Lots of storage space in the armrest. Large glove box with all the owner's materials. Overhead. Moonroof. Sliding window control and HomeLink transmitter for garage. Under the hood, this F-150 has a 5-liter V8, 360 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the truck. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 14 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 19 on the highway. New brakes and approximately 50% of tire tread left. For more information on this F-150, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.